La 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 la. Sing, sing a song, make it simple. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back to reality. Exercise muna tayo. This is my true life. Bye guys. Pag naman ni Badet. Saka ni Gemma. Thank you. Diyan mo na. Kasi pag na mga kadi sa amin to, nagbabayanihan, nagtutulungan. Ay, iwan na dyan, Det. Aba, shout out po kay Badet. Thank you. Salamat. Hi guys, ito po si Ate Chari. Kasi po niya sumama sa vlog. Ayan, napakaganda po nila lang. Asan si Judy, may Kasin. Kasing-kasing. Hello, shout out. Hello. Napakatahimik mo kanina, gusto mag-vlog. Hello. Hello guys, natalor na po.
1,000 per head. Ultimo po pag titi, pag ganon, pag ganyan, pag ganon. Kukuha na niya lahat.
Galing. Reach na po sila guys. Totoo ba, Teresa? Talaga? Masabi ko po, napakasipag po ng mga kadi na sa amin. Shout out po sa inyo lahat. God bless. Ito po, inulan na po kaming apat. Teseni, where are you?
Kasi kami napalo, hindi na ako makita.
Oh my God. Mahaba ng trip ko sa hall na ito. Nasa 200 ay yung marker. Grabe, sa white kami pumalo guys. Napakagaling talaga ni Sir Miko. Oh my God, I'm so tired.
Pag nasa ulanan kami.
Hi guys, gabi na. 6:26 na. Super way pa rin kami. O kuliglig kong nilalangit. May kuliglig na ulit guys. Kuliglig sa gabi. 6:26. Madilim ba ang ikot nitong silent night? 6:35. Hi guys, gabi na po tayo. Kami pala 6:36 guys. Nasa tournament kami kaya hindi kami pwedeng tumigil guys. Thank you for watching. I told you. Ha?
They going back now. All flights. Except us. We locked in. They're not like us. They don't like us. They not like us. Bro, because they made the kids go first. Yung likod malaki.
Ah, yes.
Ano ito? Backfill to.
Ano pa tayo doon kanina? Front center yan. Okay lang shot. Okay lang. Huwag ka na.
Yo, we're gonna run.
Na. Na pa. Dikit mo lang daw, sabi ni daddy mo. Ay, son! Pasok! Pasok!
Ilang mo yung buta?
Yeah. Ito.
Kaliwa to.
Kanan ako eh. Diretso. Dikit lang natin. Kaliwa ba kamatis eh? Doon. Nalimutan ko na eh. Yun, kanan nga, kanan.
Ay, isa ako. Isang kapo.
Sige, sige. Naku, yung scorecard nandun sa sasakyan. Hindi, nandito pala. Sige, sige. Sure.
Ilan kayo dyan, Anton?
Pating. 3 on, 2 on kami.
Hindi ko nakita na yan.
Diretso mo na lang, mahirap eh.
18.
Mabagal. Dahil butas-butas, saka uphill. Yeah. May dimples pa. Dikit mo lang, dikit mo lang. Nice one.
Last spot. Wait, left ano? Oh, man.
Kaliwa pa set tayo. Ako, ang lakas niyan. Kanan po.
Pwede na sa right and sa
Wala na pang flashlight.
open mo na lang yung camera mo.
Nice spot.
Inside.
Right in tayo.
Movie?
Ilan kaya, Tibeng?
Bogey daw. O, yung mga score niya, wait lang ha. Pasak.
Oh my.
Double.
Oh my. Yo, the brakes. The brakes actually crazy, huh? Finish.
You can't see the brake because it's night.
Oh, and like when it breaks so fast.
Basta right inside the time. Uphill na konti.
Ito guys. Again guys.
Nice one. Oy, mga score niya ha. Wala pang score. Your cup.
Shot 80 with a double bar.
Wait, yung score. Wala nga alis. Sakay na kayo sir yung isa. Wait lang guys ha. Sabihin yung mga score nyo ha. Pipirma pa tayo sir. Wait lang.
Oh, dun na. Yo, if I had Felix's putting, I would.
No, baka hindi na kasi mahirap po. Wala po ano.
Yo, where's my scorecard? I mean my range finder. Here, hold on.
Ilan ka be? Double.
Par?
Double. 6.
Wait, saan yung scorecard?
47. 48, 49. Wait sir!
Tara. Sabay ka na. Kaya na yung score. Doon nyo na ayusin yan. Doon nyo na ayusin. Wala sa score.
Wait lang.
Scorecard ko nasa inyo.
Sir, sakay na.
Doon nyo na ayusin.
Doon na lang. Walang hinaw. Ilan kayo, Beng?
Tara.
Bogi. Isod kasi ilang ka?
Mamaya na, baka makakaroon pa ng mali.
Ilan ka?
Bogi.
Si Beng.
Hindi ko alam eh.
When you walked into this room, you hardly knew anyone. Sea full of strangers crashing on the rungs. When the band strikes by the end of the night, strangers no more. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. Whether you came here to party or you came here to cry, whether to meet somebody, cheat somebody, get low or get high. So come on, all you people with 2 feet on this floor. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door.
Asahin po ako. Boss, parang asahin po ako.
Come all you saints and sinners, poets, prophets and fools, all you cowboys, tricksters, hipsters trying so hard to be cool, all you dreamers and schemers thirsty for more. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. Oh, let it all go. Oh, shake up your soul, throw your hands in the air, throw your hat in the ring, throw your hips and your heart into everything. Get lost in the crowd, get down on the floor. Let's dance with everybody who came through that door. Let's put aside our differences, lace up our shoes. Let's narrow the distance between me and you. Meet me in the middle. Let's quit keeping score. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. This night is on fire like never before. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door.